Over the past couple of weeks, we've seen a series of reopenings across the tri-state after the coronavirus forced businesses like restaurants, salons, and gyms to temporarily close. And to that, this week, thousands of people are participating in local protests about the death of George Floyd in Minneapolis. Together, those events bring up the big question: if we could see a potential increase in COVID-19 cases in a couple weeks. Reporter Raven Richard explains what local health experts are predicting.
The answer is deeper than just a simple yes or no, because it all depends on the situation and the precautions taken. Over the last week, thousands of people across our area gathered to act on their First Amendment right. Some have done so safely with masks. Mike Samet with Hamilton County Public Health says masks are helping prevent spread, and right now they're hoping this will stop the number of cases from going up.
The hope is that we don't see a spike in cases, but we're certainly ready if that does happen.
But despite this, is there still a potential to see a rise in COVID-19 cases? Dr. Sano Apawakan, Associate Professor of Medicine in the Division of Infectious Diseases at UC Health, thinks so.
I would say that it's rather hard to wear a mask when you're running or doing anything very physical until I think there'll be times when people will take off those masks. And so that's why there's probably going to be still an increase in cases and in transmission.
Timeline for when cases could occur: 5 to 14 days. As for where we currently stand right now with COVID-19,
we're starting to see the numbers come down a little bit.
We need to really stay just as vigilant, and we shouldn't lose sight of the fact that this is still a crisis, and so we need to be very cautious.
Protesters have been seen passing out masks, and also the Hamilton County Sheriff's Office tells me they'll give masks to anyone they arrest. In Cincinnati, Raven Richard, WCPO 9 News.